He has given us. Kaya kapag nag-serve tayo through a different ministry, pinapasalamatan natin ang Panginoon. Sabihin natin na, ay Lord, hindi lang ako nagbibigay ng aking monetary share sa balik at pasasalamat, kundi salamat din at nabigyan ako ng buhay at kahit senior citizen na ako, healthy pa rin ako, mag-serve pa rin ako. Okay, so, and then, give generously. Thank God for the resources He has given us. Okay, so ito na po ang last. Okay, basahin po natin lahat. 1 Peter chapter 4, verse 10. Each one as a use it to serve one another as good steward of God's grace. As members of the church, we have our own roles to play in carrying out its mission. Okay, so tapos na po ang aking pagdadalda. Maraming salamat. Okay. Father, pwede ka na. Ikaw na ang tumagot. Ano?
May question ba?
Huwag na kayong mag-question. Okay. May natutunan po ba? Yes. Meron. Sige, mabuti naman. Mixing na yan.
Oh, break. 5 minutes.
Kasi wala pa yung merienda. No, kaya tumis ko, Jai. Daniel, patulong na. Paki-ano mo ito, paki-exit mo ito isang laptop.